In this video, I will be showing you how to upgrade your NotebookLM account to access premium features. Let's get started. I'll start by clicking the Try NotebookLM button here on the homepage to access my dashboard. Once I'm in, I'll head to the top right corner and click on the Settings button. This opens a drop-down menu where I'll select the Upgrade NotebookLM option at the bottom. This opens a new tab showing the available Google One plans. I'll scroll down to review the benefits of the Google AI Plus plan, such as increased limits for audio and video overviews and more sources per notebook. To see all the choices, I'll click See All Plans. Now I can compare the AI Plus, Pro, and Ultra tiers. I'll take a moment to look at the different pricing and features for each. Scrolling further down provides a detailed breakdown of everything included, like Gemini access and extra storage. For this tutorial, I'm going to choose the Google AI Ultra plan. I'll click the button to get started and then select Agree on the Terms of Service pop-up. Next, I need to choose a payment method. I have the option to add a card, use PayPal, or pay through my phone. I'll select Add a credit or debit card. Now, I just need to enter my card number, expiration date, and security code. Once that's done, I can complete the upgrade and start using the advanced features in NotebookLM. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.